Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Mocktail Beauties 2017 and I'm Prerna here. Today we are preparing another chutney recipe, which is a small onion chutney recipe. Let's go to the ingredients first. The ingredients are small onions, garlic, curry leaves, red chilies, tamarind, some urad dal, mustard seeds, chana dal, salt, water to grind the masala, chutney, and some oil to fry. So let's start with the recipe. So oil had heated up, so I have added in mustard seed, urad dal and chana dal in this. Let the mustard seed splatter and urad dal and chana dal change its color to golden brown. So mustard seeds are being splattering now. Let's add in curry leaves. Red chilies. Garlic. Let's sort this. Now let's add small onions. Let's add in turmeric also. This is authentic traditional village dish. You should sort this till the small onions change its color and size. Let's add in salt. Let's salt this for around 5 minutes. So now you can see the color of the onion and size of the onion has been changed. Let's switch off the flame and let it cool completely and then grind it. So here you can see this is completely cooled down. I put it in the jar. Let's grind this. So guys, now you can see the chutney is ready, and you can serve this chutney with dosa, idli, rice and puri. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my video, like this video and share this with your friends. Thank you.